Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 12th of June 2025 and we start with we start with Forex factory news and
Voice news disconnected.
sorry something since the background noise, sorry about that. Right, for Tuesday, sorry, for Thursday 2025, the 6th of 12th of June, that would be. And the news have impact news in USD, which we are interested, and you can see that we've got have impact news core PPI and PPI and unemployment claims 130. So you should have good profitable day if you know how to trade. Because there's plenty of volatility in the market, and we got GBP news as well. If you're interested in trading GBP JPYs, the most gold traders do trade on GBP JPY as well, so you can keep on that. But anyway, let's start our analysis and the monthly. So as previously, nothing much. Still, we are in the month, and weekly is nothing much in the weekly as well. However, we have to go to the now daily. There's nothing much in the weekly we can see, and as I previously said, we should expect buy from here, and that's what been happening. And previously, this level was tested. Now this level is tested. Looks like market won't go down from this level. However, if the market want to go up, it has to break this level, and then should break all-time high. That should happen now, according to daily. So it has to open about 3,400, or for argument's sake, you can say at 3,384, it has to break above, close above, not break above. And going on to 4 hours, and now I think market should go to higher levels, because what happened first time market gave respect to this level, and now next time market will not give respect. That's what usually happens in the market. So this channel is forming, and this probably will be broken, this channel, and market will go to the upside. That's 4 hour. And going on to hourly, we have this level previously. I mentioned this level, and now this level has been tested. If this level was broken, then we could expect further down to the downside, but we didn't. We were looking for the buy from here, but market didn't arrive at that there. So now we look for, if the market now look for the break of this structure here, and on the test we should be able to buy. However, if you go to smaller time frame, we had it. This is the 15-minute chart, and if you go to 5-minute, area has been tested, and looks like it should come down up to here. And 50-minute, you can see here, before it goes to the upside, there's a fair value gap as well. Let's go to 50-minute, 5 minutes again. Then it should break this level and up to the upside here. And eventually, as I said, this level and then this level should break as well. This wick fill should happen. And as I said, 4 hour, and then we can see some rejection from there and this sort of movement. I hope this is helpful. And if you are unsure about the levels, I have a live streaming almost every single day apart from weekends. It should be live now as well with the different levels. The levels are updated. So if you need help with the levels, I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.